Tóg go bogé, the Irish phrase for take it easy. The literal translation is take it softly. It reminds us to give our bodies permission to soften and release tension, much of which we often hold unconsciously. Even now, as you are watching this, notice your body. Is it tense? And breathe into it, letting your tummy rise and fall. Let your shoulders drop down. Tóg go bogé. Our habitual armouring often began in childhood, when we learned to stay watchful and vigilant. Unlike a baby whose belly naturally rises and falls with ease, we have forgotten this deep belly softening. Healing from childhood wounds involves relearning how to soften in the body and free ourselves up from that armouring. Though it feels very unfamiliar, maybe even unsafe at first, over time this softening in the body becomes a new, gentle way of being in the world. And this is a beautiful gift for yourself. So tóg go bogé.